Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Claude HMD files the foundation, but sometimes you need to give Claude additional context, specific files, error logs, or instructions for a particular task. According to the Claude Help Center, good prompt habits make a huge difference. You should state the outcome, not the steps, and point all or point at files when you already know them all. Here are the best ways to give Claude Code, the context it needs to work effectively and efficiently. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to get Claude project content. Anyway, you can easily use the tag or the mention thing. As you see, these head tags to reference files. When you already know which file is relevant, reference them directly. For example, here just tap your file name whatsoever. Load can search the code base on its own by pointing at specific files is faster and uses fewer tokens. You can also reference folders as well, whichever you want. Then you can use plan mode for big tasks or anything touching more than a couple of files. You can press Shift plus Tab twice to cycle into plan mode. Then ask plan how you do rate limiting to the public API. Don't change anything yet. Review the plan, adjust in the conversation, then switch modes and say do step one. This caches misunderstandings or misunderstandings before they turn into a 12 file there. So basically that's your idea. Thank you all for watching this video. We'll in the next video.